Asking me if I'm gonna fly. Hell yes. Let's go. Okay, we got the battery right here. Oh my. Oh, it's in good condition. Well, nothing happened to the battery. Let's see the drone. What happened? Let's see what. Oh, look at that. It's okay in the battery. Everything. Oh, look. Tail. So it's broken now. It's missing the two antenna for the DGR camera. On the GoPro is okay. The GoPro is like okay. We got this. Where we got the other part? And I've been looking for like 20 minutes already. What is it? Oh look, okay. We got, oh, this was the one that broken down. Look at this. It's broken. Walking around, look for here. What? Alright, right here. Oh, this is right here. It was so hard to find. You got me going around for like, it's broken right there, so I had to fix it. And we're missing one more, so where is it's hard. All right, let's look at the sand. I mean, the drone is right there, and I think we can assume that I get it from here, something around here. I had to look right here. We got this. All right, so we got all the missing part, and this is what happened when you crash your drone. Now I had to 3D print this one. I'm printing this part right now. I printed it in solid, but I think that was the issue because it's solid, and I'm gonna print it in TPU, which is elastic, because that way it got hit, it doesn't break. This one is too strong and it breaks so easy, so I won't use this one. All right, now it's all back together, ready to fly again. So look at this. It got the two antenna now. And the GoPro is charging, so everything is good to go and fly. Let's watch.